Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Where are we going? I'm Isaac Angel and this is Pretzel. Hi Pretzel, say hi. Well, the summer season is upon us. It's already spring, and what that means is that RV season is on. It's gonna get warmer and we will all be on the roads exploring beautiful sights. And while we're doing that, our four-legged family members will be joining us as well. When we do that, we want to make sure that they remain safe in our RVs. So today on this video, I would like to share with you how we are getting around that heating problem in the cabin and making sure that our four-legged family members are safe behind us while we're exploring the nature. Now that the temperatures are rising and we want to be out there exploring the nature and enjoy the beaches, lakesides and whatnot, unfortunately here in the East Coast, many of these places won't allow dogs or our pets to come along with us. And in that situation, we might need to leave them behind in the RVs. That also creates this worrying during the summer. Inside the vehicles, inside the RVs, vans, trailers could become really hot and really fast, and that could endanger their well-being. So in order to be on top of the situation and have a peace of mind, I joined the club of Waggle. Waggle is a service that keeps monitoring your pets inside the RV by constantly measuring and sending you messages on your cell phone if there are any significant changes in the temperature of the cabin in your RV. It's I guess a genius system. It's very slim, very easy to handle. It's got its own port where you attach this to any place within your RV, any wall, any area where your pets will typically hang out in. And you want to monitor the temperature in the cabin while Waggle does the job for you. It comes with a 4G cellular functionality provided by Verizon. It constantly monitors the temperature, the humidity, anything that you think that would be endangering the lives of your four-legged family member. This will constantly send you alerts if there are dramatic changes in the temperature or humidity outside the range that you think it's safe. And you get to adjust those settings, the minimum maximum temperature in the cabin that you think is safe, that you do actually determine, or the humidity range as well. There's also, this is the basic standard version of Waggle, but they do have also the Pro version, which also comes with geofencing, meaning, God forbid, if your vehicle or your RV is stolen, then this will basically alert you that the vehicle has moved or shifted from its location, and it will also give you a pinpointed location on the map that you can follow. I didn't go for that. I just chose the basic model, which provides me more than information about the temperature and the humidity in the cabin for my dog Pretzel, and that's all I care about. And so now I will have a peace of mind while we're enjoying the outdoors. And if Pretzel cannot join us, maybe onto a beach or a lakeside, or even a restaurant or some sort of shopping that I would have to leave Pretzel behind, this will give me the opportunity to protect his life potentially. This also a very simple device. It's got its sensor in the front right here, and that's how it reads the temperature, and it's rechargeable. One charge lasts over a week, maybe even 10 days. And if you keep it on the charging cable while you're leaving, which I recommend doing so, because if you're in a campground and if you rely on the AC, on shore power, and if something goes wrong and the shore power is out, and this is actually attached to the cable, the charging cable that is plugged onto your electrical outlets in your RV. And for some reason the shore power is, let's say, out, or something tripped, or you lost power in the cabin, this will also alert you that you just lost power to your RV. Eventually, meaning that your AC will not run or your heating unit will not run, and then you should, start coming back to protect your beloved child. I highly recommend this. It's amazing, and I will put a link below to Waggle, and you can use my discount code, which now is going to appear on the screen, and you can get a discount to join the Waggle family. So please like and comment on this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so today, and click on that bell so that you can be updated every time we're releasing a new video, especially now that it's the season. And thank you for watching.